The intersection of a column and row is what produces a cell. So this is a cell, and every cell in Excel has a name. This particular cell is named C2, and you can imagine how I got that name. It is just the intersection of the column and row. This particular cell here has a name. It is M9, and this is I16. Now that may seem obvious and unimportant, but it is actually very exciting and powerful that every cell in Excel has a name. Because it has a name, you can describe it and you can have Excel do certain things with the content in each cell. Anyway, we'll get to that a little bit later, alright? Now, in addition to column, rows, and cells, there is another part of spreadsheet that you need to know about that is called range. Now, a range is a group of cells that are together arranged. It could be this, it could be this, it could be any number of things. It is basically a group of cells that are next to each other, that are together. And guess what? Ranges can also be named just like cells. You can see this is named L7. I can also name this, okay? Now, the way you name a range is you start the upper left and name the cell in the upper left. So this is L7, and then you say the word true. So L7 true, and then you say the name of the cell in the lower right, N12. So L7 through N12, that is the name of this range. Now, in the back of your mind, just keep this piece of information. The way you will write the name of this range is, you will write L7 true. The symbol of a true is a column, and then you will put N12. So that is how you write the name of the range that you see here. Okay, I'm going to tap escape to get out of this because I don't really want to type that in the cell. So that is some background information that you really need to use in order to use Excel. Now that we have talked about the layout, the ribbon, and the tabs, and the group, and things, and also the spreadsheet itself, with the column, the row, the cell, and the range, and actually, I should add a couple more. So you can see this is all on sheet 1, and I can add a sheet 2, sheet 3, etc. And each of those sheets added together is what creates a workbook. So sheets or worksheets added up to a workbook. Okay, so now we have got all that as a foundation